friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Douglasdale, a charming neighborhood situated in the southeast part of Calgary, Alberta. This community was established in the late 1980s and is named after the Douglas family, who were prominent ranchers in the area during the early development of Calgary. Douglasdale is conveniently located near the Bow River, providing residents with beautiful views and access to river pathways for walking, cycling, and other outdoor activities. Whether you're enjoying a stroll through the neighborhood or exploring the nearby natural areas, Douglasdale offers a welcoming and serene environment for its residents. Calgary itself is a large city in the province of Alberta, sitting at the point where the prairies meet the foothills of the Rocky Mountains. It became a city in 1894 and grew quickly because of the railway, ranching, and the oil industry. Today, Calgary is one of Canada's major cities, known for its energy sector, clean streets, and friendly people. The city is also famous for the Calgary Stampede, a huge rodeo and festival held every summer. With a mix of modern downtown life and access to beautiful natural areas, Calgary offers the best of both worlds. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Calgary, Alberta.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!